Game on! Okay, now that I've fixed everything. Again, this is The Haunted. The music is extremely loud. I am so sorry. Hopefully you can still hear me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, now that I'm back with my life, I found this free game on Steam. A lot of the gaming things were, well, but some of them were like, yeah. So I decided, yeah, I'm going to try. I like horror games. Horror games are fun. It's Halloween. My roommates aren't home, so there's that too. So go episodes. Haven't played this yet. Oh, how many episodes are there? A lot. It's a free game on Steam. And since some of the things were I'm sorry if you don't like it, but I'm going to try and enjoy it. So, I have no idea what this game is about. All I know is this is called The Haunted. It's a free game. I'll link it in the description. And hopefully it's a lot of fun. And there's controller stuff. So, that's fun. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what this game's about. F and H keys will change your equipped item. It's really close to each other. Also, this is on my Mac, and I hope that this doesn't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. I'll cry. I'll cry. I'll cry. Okay. And, I've been away a lot because school is really important to me. It's super important to me. And that's pretty dang good looking. Can't expect much from a free game. And I've been playing a lot of games that are on my PlayStation 3. And I don't have a lot of money for a capture card, so I can't show you guys that. But I've been keeping up with the Let's Play world and seeing what Cry and Markiplier and Poods are doing. I'd cry, probably. Don't ask me those questions. Are you old? Don't storm like that. I'll get confused. It's storming outside. You a guy or a girl, or are you non-binary? Either way, it's cool. Look like a dude. Got some facial hair there. What's your name? Do you got 5 fingers? Looks good to got 5 fingers. I have the evil within. God, where am I? What is this place? I'm really confused now. I shouldn't have. Oh my god, that's sensitive. Hello. Walk? Wacid? Are we waciding? It's wacid. Alright. Friend. Do you have toes? You do not have toes. I'm sorry for you. Escape. Oh, can't do any edits. I'm really, really low to the ground. Jumping? You jump really high. Look at that. It's all gloomy. Is that a dinosaur? No. I'm sure you missed me, because I missed you. And I I missed you, all 2 of you. That's a car. I really hope that there'll be more friends coming along to visit Ginger Ratchet, whichever one. My car? Is that my car? Phew, somebody should be near. That's not my car. Map. Oh my god, I can't hear a damn thing. God? God? Oh, it was reading. This is trippy. Files A. A and D. A and D. Space. Ha! Adaptation process. As you are all aware of, the adaptation process is the most important process during our coast pacification assignment. This is why we have chosen to alter Facility 109's objectives from destruction to adaptation. We need this building, this facility. We cannot risk losing it. Destruction of the facility is out of the question. The distance from the coast to Green Park is minor. Perfect for our needs. It shouldn't be too difficult to come up with a convincing story of why the park is closed to the public. Green Park Power Station. Adaptation. Project Haunt. Close. He was reading it. What is this? Nothing. What's this? I can't take that. D. Show. Close. Oops. Didn't tell me a damn thing. That tab opened my files, though. God, reading aloud to me. Okay. Oh my god, so sensitive. Okay. Open the door. E to open. E. Cutscene. Who are you? What was that? God, probably. Hello? Street lamp. You are not one of those walk by and turn on street lamp. Two roads diverged in a stormy wood. Map. Wait. Map. Can't take it. This is in Silent Hill. God damn. I'm sure you don't want to hear my life story, but I'm going to tell you it anyway because I'm really fucking bored. Just kidding. I'm not. Pretty trees. Had to go this way anyway. Well, that was dumb. Why'd you make it look like I diverged? A fork in the road. Let's go. Jump, jump, jumps. Boop, boop, boop. God damn. Where's that shadow coming from? This is a bad idea. No, I'm not gonna be white girl in horror movies. But seriously, where's that shadow coming from? Street lamps! Look at this. Street lamps! Train, I'm a train, I'm a train. I don't know if you guys... Ooh! Kate! Gates! Don't know where I'm going. Houses! Oh my god, it's so dark. Gates! Gates! E to open. Oh my god, that was scary. Everything went pitch black. I cannot fix any of this. But gates. Fine. Foot's gonna fall asleep. Boop. 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 That is like pitch black over there. Not going there. Running is a thing. No, it's not. Oh, yes it is. We're still extremely close to the ground. What is this? Push the button. Yes. I think there's no gas. Missions! Find gas for fuel tank. Let's go. Progress. Everything. It was open already. Why'd you want me to open it again? Gas for the fuel tank. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. It's so trippy. that it's raining outside and it's raining in the game because I'm smelling the rain from outside. And I'm like, wow, this is really immersive. But it's not. But it's not. Spooky, scary game of games. Jumping. Gas for fuel tank. Let's go. Come on, game. You can see why people didn't like this. They don't like much things. Gas for fuel tank. They don't like to explore. Jump over the fence. That's not a thing. There's a knife there. Want it. For that Satan ghost that I saw. What the fuck? Oh. What is this? Whole pretty ass game. What is this? Well, didn't see this before. I don't know. I saw the tree trunk and I got really concerned for my life and well-being. Let's go, friends, to victory. Run, run, run. I'm a little polygon man with balding hair who woke up. This looks like the thing from Year Walk. Okay. It's raining, it's pouring, I'm probably gonna get cold. Everything sounds like something's following me, but no, it's not. I need a flashlight over those places. But seriously, fences normally take me nice places. Let's follow the fence. Fences. Haha! Something's gonna attack me and I'm gonna cry. Train! Is this where I was? No. Right? No. Because that's a thing. We need the code for the thing. Fuck. We need gas for the fuel tank. We need a code for the thing. Is that little white dot in the circle of my mouse? Take gas from the lamps, because they're not using it. What is... Whoa. Okay, calm down, Michael Bay. Click it. E. D. Nothing. Run. We're going on a trip in my rocket ship. Little Einsteins. Look at that. I want that. What's that? Oh my god. What's this? Hello. You're very shiny for a rock. Look like you got something important to hide. Calm down. Worse than the people in Silent Hill. We're here for 5 seconds. Oh my god. Forest. I can see why people didn't like this. I'm enjoying it though, because I'm a friggin' nerd and I played a game called The Path where all you did was run around in a forest. Rocks. What's this? Is this where I was? I've been here. Is that the car? Okay. I think the black means don't go there. Okay. Black means you're going somewhere you've already been. It's their way of saying no. Can't come here. Can't sit with us. Oh, a lot of this is going to get edited out. What's that? It's a flower in a tree. This is the most unintense game in the universe. What? Why? Okay. What is this? New things. Hello. House. Hi. Do you have things? Do you have fuel for the tank? That's a soda can. Give it to me. I want it. What is this? It's black. Can't see anything. Damn. But I want the soda can. I don't like that there's noises when I spin. But I guess that's realistic. Bear! It looks like. A bear. The street lamp. Street lamps tell you where you're supposed to be, right? Street lamp, turn on. You're not doing much. I'm gonna get sick. Sick. Going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. What is this? Stand here. Stand behind the room. This way. Flowers! That was intense. Tree! Back at the rock pile. Is that a river? Street lamps. I'm really not sure what's happening in game and what's happening outside right now. With this whole storm nonsense. Now can I go to the house? Now that I know I need light, oil. Oil. It's really fucking dark in this game. Car. No. The answer to that question is no. That makes no sense. You're really good at blocking off when I need. Maybe I'm an idiot and there's a fuel for the gas tank around the fuel. And then I can go places and do things. My wrist is falling asleep. That is the weirdest thing. Gotta do wrist exercises. See, it's just the only bright place I can see. And there might be something here. And I could just be the stupidest person ever to be in anything ever. Let's see. Hello. Hello. No. I wasn't the stupidest person to ever stupid. Oh my god, my eye. Okay. Okay. Let's go to this canyon. Again. I can see why people would be upset. What is my name? Am I like an old man? Or am I a young man? Am I a person? A woman? Gender neutral? Don't judge me by my size. What is that house up there for? That's a dangerous place to put a house. I am... Gas. Gas? Monster, are you guarding gas? Can I have it? Wait, that's not gas. Wait. Yes, it is. Fuck! That is gas for a gas tank. How do I get over there? Up and around? That very might well be the answer. Jump! Trust it. Hut, 2, 3, 4. Did I just hurt myself? Pussy? Willow? Pussy Willow? Sorry. Haha! Go! No. There's gas tank over there, though. I want it. Need it. For the button to press. Because I like pressing buttons. I need it. You can't cheat. Why'd you put me up here if I can't do this? How do I get around? How do I get around? Hajiba. Let's go. Gotta go round in spooky darkness. Well, that wasn't very nice. Jump over rocks. Holy shit. That was scary. Why did that happen? What? What? That was not explained. I wanna go this way. Get a gas tank. Come on. That was terrifying. I hate those heart pounding ones because it's just like great. They spook me out. Run. What's that? Up on the rocks. Actually, this is how I fell to death. I got an achievement for dying like that. Wow. That's a game. Settings. Thanks. What's this? SSAA. Edit. Okay. Apply. Go back. Hold on. Wow. I can only use an Xbox controller because life sucks. Wait, there's no settings. What's this? SSAA. What's that? Shadows. Off. Fly. Let's try again. Wow, I suck. Easy. I suck and easy. This fucking sucks. Oh my god, there's gonna be so much editing going on. Haunting. Not cheating. Totally not cheating on my phone. Mm-mm. It's called Haunted Memories. I'm sorry. Hello! Can I control my life? Gotta press escape. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Got better now. Can't, like, fucking, I can see now. Now all the shadows are off. My life doesn't suck that much. Should be able to see now. Hello, car. Phew, somebody should be near. Oh, did I not fucking... Wow, that was a flashlight. Hello. Okay, got a flashlight now. How do I turn on my flashlight? Look, 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 show, look. We read this. We read this. We read this. T. What does T do? T-F-H. Good. Good. More things. Oh my god. There's a typewriter here. New entry. Send help. Great. That's a save. Wow. What's this? Soda cans. Batteries. Oh. Wow. Ratchet, pay attention. Open your eyes. Ginger. Oh my god, you suck. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. We got this. F to equip. F is on. E, F is off. H, how do I turn my flashlight back on? This is very upsetting. Equip. E to equip. Flashlight. Okay. Hopefully this is like one of those infinite flashlights, and I don't need to collect batteries for it, actually. Go away! Oh my god, it's creepy. Okay? What was that? Your mother on Christmas. Just kidding, I love my mom. Now that all stupid things are turned off, I could probably actually see better. Run, 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 run. We have to get to the thing so that we can get our mission. Look at that. Life is so much easier. I can actually see things now. Oh, I heard the door. I wish I had a flashlight. I don't pay attention. Oh my god, this makes life so much easier. Holy cannolis. Can actually see what I'm doing. Over here, hush, hush, hush. Here comes the boogeyman. Don't let him get too close to you. He'll catch you if he can. Just pretend your teddy bear is a dog. Hello, Park. Then shut up. Fetch him, Teddy. And he'll hop up like a frog. No shadows makes everything easier. Even though it's kind of the pussy way to do things. But it's alright. I love cats. And cats are great people. Oh my god, where am I? I haven't been here before. Are these all empty? Are you empty? Yes. Your answer to that question is yes. E. Never been here before. It's locked. Why? No. What's this way? What is this? A factory? Well, friend, don't you know I love factories? Factories. Stop it. Stop it. Factories. Happy Halloween. Go hang out. Factory. What's this? First. That is batteries. This is that house that I was having trouble with. Because I thought there was a Coke can on the ground. Right? But I couldn't get inside because it was really dark. And I fixed that. Now it's not extremely dark all the time. Oh my god, wait, that doesn't look like a factory. Are we gonna go see Dracula? I love him. He's a good guy. He hangs out with the wolves and is like, yo, wolves, you're great. And as long as you don't kill my people, I won't kill yours. This is a fence, and I can't get into the castle. And I can't climb over the walls, because last time I did that, I died. And I got an achievement for dying, and it was a great time. A great time. Jump. Go faster. Oh my god. Why is your walking stuff slow? Sorry. I was having a moment. Let's go, 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 go. Power Rangers! Wait, is that my flashlight in the corner? Am I holding my flashlight like this? That's silly. That's silly. That's silly. Silly. Do any of these fences happen to not have fence on them? Where am I? I wasn't in this part of the map before. This is amazing. I should go back to where I was before. That's so weird. How do I have arms but not feet? Oh, I do have feet. Walk? I don't have feet. Maybe that was like that house with the fence and I just didn't pay attention. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh my god, where am I? What is this? Holy crap. Damn. I'm really confused. This is worse than like stinking the path you get. But at least the path is like, this is where that event was. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Okay, run. His running is making me sleepy. I've probably almost been playing for an hour. That's Hope I still look attractive. No. The answer to that question is a resounding no. What car is this? There's so many cars everywhere. What's this? Can I go up here? My flashlight sucks. Am I supposed to put batteries in it? Probably. Batteries? Batteries. Wait. I fucked something up. E to equip. Oh, it is equipped. Okay. That's a shitty flashlight. What is this? Things. I got a text message. Hold on. Hopefully I don't die. You died from standing in the rain. Okay. I'm not a helpful person. Run! Is this like a thing? Can I not go here? Am I gonna fall? You fell to your death. Oh! Press R to change batteries. Yeah! That's what I was trying to do earlier. I'm a student and oh my god, we're getting closer. I'm going to hit by lightning. Ooh, is that where I was? Maybe. Faster! I don't think, this world is so big. I want to see a monster again. Wait, don't say that. No, I don't. It looks like a giant Spider-Man. But not the good kind of Spider-Man. Fence? Oh my god, what? Fence? Ooh. Things! Maybe the map changes like every single time because I do not remember any of this. No. When you wake up in the middle of nowhere and you see ghosts, normally people are like, I should probably go home. But no, not you, friend. Not you, friend. You, friend, are like, yo, let's go. Not, 'cause you're an idiot. Fences, your one true weakness. Hiya! Oh. Open the gate like a person. Or hop the fence like a not person. Don't worry about you, friend. Hit it! Jump over it. Yes! Yes! Actually, yes! This is just a bad time. Oh my god. So that was Haunted Memories. I mean, maybe I could, like, get episode 2. So apparently that's better. That's a better time. Oh. Because this just isn't... I tried. I'm sorry. So that was the Haunted Memories. Maybe this will come back if you say you want to see more. But to me, I was just running around in the forest because... And I couldn't find the gas tank. And I kept dying and falling to my death. So... hopefully you'll see more. episodes, and if this comes out on October 29th, you won't, because I'll probably be really, really not partying. No, bad, don't party. It's my birthday on October 29th. But that probably won't happen. So, bye, friends. It's been real. I'm Ratchet. Goodbye.
You wanna get with me? There's some things you gotta know. I like my beats fast and my bass